swerving rapidly. He's winning another 7.
Turn around! Do it now!
What could you possibly do to end up in a situation like this? March 25th, 2025. The Nevada border. What starts as a routine license plate hit is about to turn into a dangerous high-speed pursuit involving a semi-truck, multiple agencies, and suspects wanted for some of the most horrific crimes imaginable: sexual assault, trafficking, and crimes against children. But here's what made this chase even more urgent. Law enforcement had reason to believe there could be victims inside that truck. This is the body cam footage that captured it all.
Henry 6200, we're southbound I-11. I'll take over comms. I'm number 4.
Hey, he's gonna lose one of his left rear tires. If we're okay with it, I'll go past, I'll get him ahead, and I'll lay down some stop sticks. That's affirmative. Mile marker 10 should work. I'm passing. Oh, he just cut me off. He just tried ramming me.
Officers move to intercept, but the driver has other plans. Instead of pulling over, he makes a decision that will add years to his sentence. He runs. What follows is a pursuit that puts everyone on the highway at risk. The suspect isn't just fleeing, he's actively trying to ram police vehicles. Behind the wheel of an 18-wheeler, he's turned his truck into a weapon, and officers know they're dealing with someone who has nothing to lose. Dispatch coordinates multiple units.
Henry 3094. If you can get somebody to go through Boulder City and get on at marker 2, go ahead and continue. If not, back off. Please notify Arizona DPS and also the damn police.
Henry 3094, there is no damn police. I'll notify Arizona.
Officers prepared to deploy stop sticks, those spike strips designed to deflate tires and bring pursuits to an end. But here's what most people don't realize. Deploying stop sticks is one of the most dangerous things an officer can do. In recent years, multiple officers have been killed while attempting this exact maneuver.
Successful on the spike strips. Vehicle continuing southbound with the number 1. Henry 4153, notify Metro here. Henry 4153, 10-4. Henry 6200, confirming you're on 95 at 11. We're still on I-11, pass on marker 7. Speed of 74 miles an hour, still stranded in the lane line. Henry 4153 to 3094. Do we have authorization to enter Arizona?
Yes, you have authorization to enter Arizona.
He just lost the tread on the front right tire. He's on the rim now. He's swerving rapidly. He's winning off the road right. One start at 52. He's way off the road. 1050.
The truck finally comes to a stop, but this situation is far from over. Officers draw their weapons and take position. They have no idea what's waiting for them inside that cab. Are the suspects armed? Will they comply? Let me see your hands. Show me your hands. The commands are clear, direct, and repeated. Officers need compliance.
Put your hands up! Put your hands out of the window so we can see them! Take it easy on yourself! Let us know you're alive! Everybody in that truck, speak to us now! Do you guys have any cover over there?
No, it's just rock here.
Okay. Is that shadowing or movement on by the, just to the right of the mirror? There it is. He's punching out the window. Hey, you better let us see your hands when you're coming out, guy. Hey, sir, let us see your hands, okay? Let us know you're... Are you injured? Hey, sir, what's your name?
I see a foot behind the truck.
Yeah, he's kind of dangling there. I got his right arm. He's coming down. Hey, guy.
A helicopter circles overhead. Backup units form a perimeter. The message is clear. There's nowhere to go. We need you to come out peacefully. We can get you medical attention, but you need to follow instructions. Communication is everything in moments like this. One wrong word, one perceived threat, and this goes from a tense standoff to a tragedy.
Stop.
We got a helicopter coming and everything. You're not getting away.
Just stop. Don't move. Face away from us. Turn around, do it now. Turn around, do it now.
On the ground now.
You're gonna get tased.
You're gonna get tased. Get on
It's
the
not
ground.
gonna feel good.
Get on the ground. You're gonna get tased.
Get somebody else in the car.
Yep, right here, right here. Put your hands on top of your head.
You okay?
Yep.
All right, you got him?
Yeah, you got her.
Yeah, I got her.
Here, you got me?
Yep. You got it.
Put your hands on your head.
All right, you just told me to chill out and you're not being chill. You just told me to chill out.
Yeah. Got another set. Thank you.
Anybody else in there? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Up.
There you go. Turn around. Walk up the hill. Stop that.
Yeah. You don't have to kick your legs in, just sit. Get you a little bit of air conditioning, alright?
I need a drink. Got medical in and out also.
Yeah, medical's coming. They gotta check you anyway. So.
Henry 6110. We have a female that was still in the vehicle. Where's it hurt? We have a female adult that's also injured that just came out of the vehicle. Need a 52. Anybody else in the car with you? You think you can walk? You can hold on to me if you need to. What's your name? You say Tony? You got it? Let's just put you in my back seat here. Come on. You good? Yeah, we're good. Just have a seat.
What did you hit? The steering wheel or?
Yeah. I was trying to make it to that bridge with the water. I should have cut that guy off. I knew when he got past me, why did that guy just pull up to me and start talking to me, you know?
What, the other cop?
That guy right there. He just pulled up in the truck stop and just started wanting to talk to me. You know why?
Because you got warrants.
Oh.
If we can settle things at the lowest possible level, we're always going to try and do that first, you know? If you're willing to talk to him and have a conversation, then we'll take that route. But if you want to run from us, then we have to take this route.
He was locking me up. There was no way I was getting out of that truck.
All right. Where were you headed originally?
What do you mean?
I mean, where were you? You're hauling window shades, you said?
Yeah,
Where were you going?
Utah.
Utah? Okay. Do you want to go to the hospital if they ask you? Sure. It's up to you. So.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you want me to tell them? Like for your head, or is there something else bothering you?
Oh, no, I think my legs up too.
Which one?
I think the right knee and the left leg.
Right knee, left leg. Okay.
Emergency medical responders rush in. There are 2 people in the truck, the driver Michael and his passenger Tony. Both are injured from the crash, and medics immediately begin their assessment. There's confusion. Tony mentions something about another driver, a possible misunderstanding on the road. But that's not why they were pulled over, and officers know it. Tony wasn't wearing a seatbelt, and now she's paying the price.
You did the walk, bud? Yeah. The walk? Let's walk over here to back of my ambulance, all right?
Tony's reaction is a mix of fear and confusion. She's injured, surrounded by police, and now being told she's connected to serious criminal charges. The psychological weight of the moment is visible. Officers remain professional but firm. They've done this before. They know suspects will say anything in these moments.
I'm scared.
What are you scared of?
I don't know what's happening.
So it sounds like he does have a warrant out for his arrest, and that's why we were trying to make contact with him. Does that make sense?
We were here this morning and we were supposed to call in.
Yeah. What's up, sir?
How are you?
Not too bad. So this is Tony, his wife for 3 years. Said they were supposed to be turning themselves in, but we didn't make contact. He talked to his lawyer this morning, and it's just a little bit of shock right there.
Yeah, I'm sure.
I don't know what's
Yeah, we got a female with no seatbelt on.
That they can be 76 in the seat.
You didn't have a chance? This is his wife.
Okay.
Her sister's on the passenger seat. She got pretty good head injuries.
How old is she? About 40?
1992, 32.
Just the head injury?
And little minor cuts.
What about him?
He's got some pretty good lacerations on the head and stuff.
Complaining of any other injuries, but he did say he was 97.
Do you know if he has any weapons in the trunk?
36200, Metro and route.
So just to let you know, it doesn't sound like you're going to be in any trouble, right? So it's just the actions of your husband. I know. Just going to make sure you get the help you need, okay? So how long were you guys there at the truck stop for?
Just a few minutes, we just got there.
Just got there, and that's when we rolled up. Were you guys fighting over the steering wheel at all or anything like that, or did he purposely go off the road?
No, the tire went out.
Yeah, I noticed he started.
Yeah, the tire went out.
Yeah. I got his female passenger over here. She was unrestrained in the front passenger seat, right?
What's going on today? All right, what's your first name? I can't hear you. Tony. So were you seatbelted in the vehicle? You didn't have a chance, okay. Did you hit your head? Did you go unconscious during that time? Or do you remember everything? Okay, gotcha. So we're going to get you down to the hospital. You want to get transported to the hospital, right? Are you having any pain right now? Where at in your head? Right here? Yeah, you got a good knot right there. Elbow? You're still able to move everything? Do we have any pain here? No, look all the way to the left. Any pain here? No, all the way towards the right. Any pain in the middle? Down to your chest. Any pain? All right, look straight up. Any pain? Gotcha. All right, you still don't know if you went unconscious or not. You just know it all happened real fast, right? In custody? No. No? Okay.
Hey, you able to take a few steps for me? Go ahead, grab onto my hand. Right this way.